How to fix Snapchat was unable to open camera. Snapchat unable to open camera. Fix Snapchat camera. So if Snapchat is not being able to open up camera, so when you're on the Snap page, it is not being able to open up camera, right? There are a couple of ways on how you can fix this. It's normally because Snapchat is lacking camera access. You can enable it by long pressing the Snapchat app icon on Android, then just tapping the I button, which will take you to its app info page. Then from here, you can simply go to storage and clear the cache files, and you can also try to clear the data. Then once you have done that, you can simply go to this option known as permissions, as you would be able to find. Then once you go to permissions, here you can see the option called camera. All you have to do is set this to allow. It might have been set to ask or don't allow, but you want to set this to allow while using the app. Same goes for iOS users as well. Just enable camera permission for the Snapchat app, and that should definitely help you. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.